Hello, good morning. Good morning to all of you. All are welcome for my Industrial Safety and Awareness program. You may be knowing me. I am Sadashiv. I am a safety trainer. Last so many days I used to come here and I used to give the safety oriented training. It is my intention that I have to give continuous education program on safety subject. For that purpose only, I have given you 10 videos on general safety awareness. Then I have given another 20 videos on basic fire safety awareness. Then I have given you another 20 videos on electrical safety awareness. Now we have come to our industrial safety. Here also I have already given 15 videos. So today is my 16 videos. Last class, what I have discussed you what is an RP. RP means respiratory protective equipment. Different type of respiratory protective equipments are there. Everything I have last class explained. So I'm not going to take in today's detail today in details class. So today is my subject is there. What is confined space? Confined space. What does it mean? And why is so important for the safety? Confined space means there is restricted entry is there. The person cannot work as easily in the other places, like in a tank or in any other type of in this type of channel, whether drainage water lines and the drainage line, like type of a restricted entry tank, and also for the pit and other thing. Such places entries are restricted, and the person there are lot of hazards are there. What are the hazards? One is major hazard is a deficiency of oxygen. Oxygen deficiency is always there. Most of the confined spaces, and sufficient light may not be there, and also sufficient working space may not be there. That also you may be knowing that body cannot enter it properly, go enter easily, we cannot go enter, and also come up. A lot of fire hazards are there. So many hazards are always present in this type of a confined type of area. So a special permit must be required there. Work permit must be there, and it should be checked that the area is safe for working, and also if necessary ventilation should be given, and also additional oxygen or air must be provided there. Then only people should enter there and work in that particular area. Otherwise, what will happen means some of the people can lose their life. Such a thing is happened there also. Even I can tell you my own experience that there are several places where people are working without any proper work permit or any other thing. They lost their life also. As an just example, recently, a few years back in Kerala, one drainage water line was there. For the cleaning purpose, one labor, he entered there. So that fellow, that just he has opened the manhole and he entered there. So that fellow, the other fellow who is in the helper there, he was also just waiting there. After few minutes, maybe some 15-20 minutes, that person has not come. So the second person also entered there inside the drainage line, then under the ground. Then that person was also not coming for another 15 to 20 minutes. This was looking by an auto driver there. That is on the roadside. So auto driver, this man thinking that two person entry there, both were not coming. So he himself also entered. Finally, what happened means all the three people's dead body we had to take it back. Because why this thing is happening means the drainage water line, there was no sufficient oxygen. So the three people were entered without the oxygen, and some maybe some poisonous gas also maybe there, because that inhaled there and they lost their life. So in order to avoid such type of things in the end, that safety must be very important for entry of any confined space. As per OSHA, confined space we can just roughly divide it into three categories. What are the three categories? One is full body can enter in the cell. That means without any restriction or any other places, like the worker's body can easily enter there and they can work it there, like a pitch or any type of a tank there, top opening is there. So only some ladder or something may be required there. They can go enter there and they can work there. Only thing, it is a confined space, but they cannot the entry and exit is a restricted type. Then not very easily like in other open space. So such place is called full body entry, and full body of a body can enter. That is first category. Second body is restricted entry. What do you mean by restricted entry? In some tank and other thing, there is only manhole is there. Some round hole will be there. So the person cannot enter as a complete body go there. He has to go entry in such a way that some restrictions should be there first, and go their body to their head or the leg and other thing. That restricted entry. It is not easily, but then once it has entered there sufficient space is there, he can work there. Such condition like a boiler, that manhole is there for checking and other thing, and also for working places, and then inside sufficient space is there. That is a second category. There also this both places that oxygen deficiencies can occur there, and also that is a very dangerous condition. A sufficient light may not be there, and the flammable gas may be there. So these two are present in the other these two sides. The third category is there. That type of confined spaces is not designed for continuous working. Here only people can just go in up there restricted way and just inspection it and come back there. Like in a like pit and other thing. This drainage water line only entry or very restricted to one person, and he can just go and check it there, and then he has to come back. Then only other person. Such type of entries places are there. They are very difficult. This is not designed for continuous working. If continuous working, then the space, sufficient space must be available there. So these are the three type of this confined spaces divided by the OSHAs. That is, one is a full body entry can be possible. That is normal type of a tank, pit, etc. Such is the full body entry. Second one is a restricted body. Only manhole is provided in the tank and other thing. That places is known as a restricted entry place. There, once entered, their work can be done. The third category is restricted entry, and it is also restricted working there. Not sufficient space is there. Such type of category is a third category. So these are the three categories. Division is there. So whatever may be the categories, the main problem in the confined space is the deficiencies of oxygen. So before entry of before entry or working of any confined space, that oxygen testing must be done there. We have to ensure that sufficient oxygen must be there, or it has sufficient ventilation must be there. Then accordingly, people should be given special breathing apparatus, that is CABA and other thing. Last class we have discussed, that should be provided. Then only people should enter there and working. And also continuous watching must be done. Monitoring must be there. One person must always be outside there, and always communication must be provided there in this type of places. But there are some like a civil pit and other thing. Their oxygen deficiency may not be there, but still the work permit must be there, and another safety officer or any other person must always be watching type of confined space. So these are the area which we have to be take care in this regarding the safety in the confined space working people. For this is just for importance in regarding the safety in this confined area. I hope that you got some knowledge about the confined space. This is just for giving a small knowledge, and once you got such area, there is a lot of permit system and everything. You can have your own standard developers there. Okay, for the time being, I am just stopping it. I will be coming with another class next some other day. And also I request you, please, if you like it, share it and subscribe it. Okay, wishing all of a good day. Good day means happy, healthy and safe day. Thank you to everybody. Okay, thanks.